friends, in this video we are going to discuss about one of the most common mistakes everyone do as a beginner. To explain this, I have created a simple HTML program in which I have a div with class image container. Inside that, I have an image with class banner image. For the image container class, I have a fixed width of 600 pixel and a height of 400 pixel. I have also added a margin 30 pixel auto to center align the container. For the banner image class, I have added a percentage width and height of 100% each. Let's preview. Nice. Do you see any problem here? Actually, we do have a problem. Let's replace the image with another one. Now the image is distorted. Reason behind this is we have specified both width and height property for the image. First image looked nice because the actual size of the image is 600 cross 400 and we try to fit that in a 600 cross 400 container and so we didn't face any problem. But if you see the second image, the actual size is 400 cross 600 and we try to fit that in a 600 cross 400 container and so the width of the image is expanded and height is getting shrinked. That is why the image is distorted. If you remove either width or height, the image will be good again. So please keep in mind, always use either width or height based on your requirement, but not both. In some scenario, you may have to use both width and height. In such cases, you can use another property, object fit, which you can use to avoid distortion. If you use object fit cover, the image will be cropped to cover the container. And if you use object fit contain, your image will be adjusted to fit inside the container without distortion. I hope you understood the concept behind this. Thanks for watching this. Please like and leave a comment. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.